Hello kids! Let's learn some alphabets. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Pink color. I for ice cream. Green color. J for joker. Orange color. K for king. Red color. L for lion. Blue color. M for monkey. Pink color. N for nose. Green color. O for orange. Orange color. P for peacock. P for peacock. Let's learn some colors. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Brown color. Brown color. Blue color. Blue color. Purple color. Purple color. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Orange color. J for joker. J for joker. J के बाद आता है K. ब्राउन कलर. K for king. K for king. K for king. K के बाद आता है L. लाइट ग्रीन कलर. L for lemon. L for lemon. L के बाद आता है M. लाइट पिंक कलर. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M के बाद आता है N. ब्लू कलर. N for nose. N for nose. N के बाद आता है P. O येलो कलर. O ये क्या है बच्चों? O for owl. O for owl. O के बाद आता है P. पर्पल कलर. P for peacock. P for peacock. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.